Before installation, thoroughly wash and dry the car. We recommend using lifting equipment. Place the rear bumper canards in place on the bumper molding around the rear intake. Use several pieces of tape to secure the canards in place. Then carefully measure their position relative to the taillight so that the canards are in the same position on both sides of the bumper. Then, mark the outline of the canards with tape. Remove the canards from the bumper. Thoroughly clean, degrease, and wipe the marked installation location. Note, if the car has PPF or ceramic coating, a section of the film or coating should be removed from the installation location. Next, remove small sections of the protective film from the double-sided tape on the canards and fold them outward. Position the canards against the bumper as indicated and press them into place. Then, remove the remaining pieces of double-sided tape and press the canards in place. Repeat the same steps on both sides of the bumper.